here now. Okay. Who's for a swim? I know. What's wrong? All that sitting around, taking it out of you?
There's still one to hatch, you dumb clock. The big one.
Let me see that. I still think it's a turkey. You'll never get it in the water. Just leave it. Hey, cut that out. Come and teach the other ones how to swim properly.
You teach the other ones to swim properly. I might as well sit here for a bit longer. I've already sat here for so long, a few more days would not make a difference.
Whatever you say, dear. All right. Last one to the lace, a coup.
Yay!